Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this very soft spicy makeup look with my eyes and the lips. So if you want to see how this whole thing goes down, then please keep on watching this video. So guys, when it comes to achieving a 3-step eyeshadow makeup look, you pretty much would need a matte, in fact 2 matte eyeshadows first, or you could even choose to use all mattes depending on how you want your eye makeup to look. But for this look, I'm going to be using 2 matte shades, and by matte I mean shades that are not shiny, like eyeshadows that do not have that shimmery look, they're just kind of like dusty. Like I'll just start by showing you like my blush. Like this blush is right here, they're all matte, they don't have any shimmers to them. Like these ones right here, they don't have any shimmers to them, they're just like matte. And I like to use colors like within this range as my transition color. This is just like a highlight on the crease area rather, which is this area right here. I start by blending like the transition color, which are shades such as any of this, on my crease area. And the crease area is actually this area right here. It's the area above your eyelid. This is your eyelid, this is your crease. So you want to start by using a blending brush such as this one right here to blend the transition color on your crease area. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using this shade right here as my transition color. I'm going to use this one and use this blending brush right here just to tap into this shade right here, and I'm going to blend it on my crease area like so. I'm just going to blend that shade all over my crease. This blending brush is not very fluffy, so I'm just going to switch over to getting one that is really fluffy and all. So I'm going to be using this very fluffy blending brush right here. The fluffier it is, the easier for you, like when it comes to blending, just to really now get the transition color to be all blended on the crease area. So I'm just going to just blend that transition shade all over the crease area. When it comes to blending, you want to just simply go, like back and forth, 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 like so, just to ensure that the shade you're applying on that crease area is well blended, like very smooth so that there are no harsh lines and all of that. Just want to ensure that you really blend that eyeshadow down really well. So after I are done with applying the transition shade, the next thing you want to do is, you could choose to apply the lip color right now, but I like to always define my crease area. And what I use in defining my crease is usually like a black eyeshadow. I stick to using like a black eyeshadow or even like a deep brown shade just to create some depth on my outer V area. And my outer V area is this area right here, from my eyelid, like the end of my eyelid towards like my crease area. So this area right here, connecting my eyelids to my crease area, is actually like my outer V area. I'm going to stick to using this pointed blending brush right here to apply the black shade, which I'll be using to define my outer crease area on my eyelids. So I'm using this sleek makeup original palette. I'm going to be using the black eyeshadow right here to do this. Take note, you don't have to have any of the eyeshadows which I'm using for this video to create this look. You could use any of the eyeshadows you have. What you just basically need is something that you could use for like your transition color, and something that you can use to like define your outer V area, and a little shimmy shade for your lids. So next, I'm going to be using this black eyeshadow right here just to create some definition on our eyelid. So I'm just using this pointed blending brush right now just to blend that black eyeshadow into like our outer V area. I'm just going like inwards towards like the crease area first, and I'm extending it downwards towards the eyelid area, and kind of like just blending that black eyeshadow. And I'm trying to ensure that it's really well blended, like you're not going outside of our eyelid area, but you just extend it a bit towards like our bottom lash line, just so that it balances out. And when it comes to eyeshadow application, you want to try as much as possible to ensure that when you apply shades to like your upper eyelid, you also try to just smudge it a bit towards your bottom eyelid, which is what I'm doing right now. So So guys, after we are done now with blending that black eyeshadow on our crease, I'm just going to quickly go back to that transition color which we used on our crease area, just to just blend the two shades together so that there are no harsh lines and everything looks like all blended. So I'm going back to that same brush just to blend both of those colors in together, just to ensure that there are no harsh lines. And I'll just quickly dip the brush back into the transition color, just to ensure that the black eyeshadow doesn't still overpower it. So just blend. When it comes to eyeshadow application, blending is really important. You want to ensure that everything is just well blended and it's very effortless. You also want to just blend that eyeshadow, but when it comes to like a bottom eyelid, best you just stick to using a blending brush such as this that's kind of like stiff. It's not really like as fluffy as the other big ones. I'm just going to use to just blend that same transition color to our bottom lash line, just so that we have the same effect we have going on our upper, on our eyelids, on the bottom part as well. Guys, after we're done like with all of the crease area and bottom lash line area, the next thing we want to do is to apply like our lid eyeshadow. But then the thing is, it's a matter of choice. If you don't want to apply eyeshadow to your lid, you can just go straight to like just apply your liquid eyeliner and pop it on your lashes and you're done with your eye makeup look. But for this tutorial, we're going to be applying some eyeshadows to our eyelids. And first, I'm just going to quickly start by applying a little of my eyeshadow primer. And I'm using a classic eyeshadow primer. So I'm just going to quickly just apply that primer to my eyelid using this small eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to carefully just press on the eyeshadow primer to our lids, like in no particular manner. Just pressing it to the empty lid space that we still have left. So I'm going to be using this eyeshadow right here. This bronzy eyeshadow right here. Just gonna press that onto my eyelids. The thing with using eyeshadow primers is that it makes your eyeshadow to pop more. When you want your eyeshadows to really come out more, particularly when you have an eyeshadow palette that doesn't really pop, it's best to use an eyeshadow primer just so that the eyeshadow comes out really well. But then if you don't have a primer, you can as well use your concealer to prime your eyelids before applying the eyeshadow onto your lids. Carefully just applying that eyeshadow, and what I'm doing is I'm taking the eyeshadow to the brush and I'm just pressing it onto my eyelid, just pressing it on, like using kind of like stippling motion, just so that the eyeshadow is vibrant on my lids. I'm gonna go back to that same fluffy blending brush which we used earlier, just to ensure that everything looks well blended. I'm just going to reach for like my highlighter palette. I'm going to be using my LA Pride contouring palette. I'm going to be using a highlighter from this palette. I'll be using this one right here just to highlight like my tear dot area. And you want to reach for a brush that's really like very tiny, like so that it really like targets like your tear dot area, so it doesn't like over highlight and go to what area that you don't want the eyeshadow to be at. So I'm using this pointed brush right here. I'm going to just take a little of that highlight and I'll just focus it on my tear dot area. The tear dot area is like this part right here. This is your tear dot area. I just press on the highlight area. Some people like to highlight their brow bone area, but if you don't like to highlight your brow bone area, you can skip that step. Because the concealer we use in defining our brow bones are still popping, so you stick to like just leaving that out completely. Guys, after I'm done with eyeshadow application, I'm just going to quickly like apply a little of my Mabrook extremely soft eyeliner pencil to my waterline, just so that it really like gets my eye to really like pop and all. So I'm just going to be applying this black eyeliner pencil to my waterline area. Like this is my holy grail kajal. Like it's like a kajal, it's very soft and and I also like to use just to like tightline my upper eyelid. The essence of tightlining is just so that it's really like closes up your eyes and gets your eye to be looking like creates that kind of like catty small eye look. But if you don't want your eyes to look small, you could totally skip tight lining your eyes. You just stick to just like applying a little of the eyeliner to your waterline, or even using a white eyeliner to your waterline would actually like open up your eyes. So after I'm done doing that, I'm going to go over to applying my liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the Hengfang liquid eyeliner to do this. You want to ensure that the eyeliner really gets to like the end of like the beginning of your lashes right here. You don't want there to be any sparse pieces. So guys, after I'm done with eyeshadow application, I'm just going to quickly pop on a pair of false lashes. Applying the false lashes, I'm just going to use a mascara to blend my natural lashes in with those false lashes. So guys, now for blush, I'm going to be using my PETITI-SUE professional blush palette, and I'm going to be looking for a shade that is very light and natural looking. So my eyes are already kind of like out and popping all over. I'm going to stick to using this blush right here. You can call the shade, but this is the shade I'm using right there for my blush. I'm just blending that onto like my cheek area and a bit towards like into the contour. Yeah, just very light, it's nothing dramatic. Like over onto highlighting my face, I'm going to be using my Early Pride contouring palette, and I'm going to be using this highlighter right here in this palette. I'm just going to use this fan brush just to like, you know, take the highlight and just simply like apply to the parts of my face which I like to highlight, which is like my cheekbone area right here. And for the bridge of my nose, I just want to highlight just the tip. I'm going to use my fingertips too. I'm just going to take the highlights and just put it onto like where I want to be, like, you know, the highest point of my nose. I'm going to apply the highlights right here. Next, I'm going to go over to apply a lip shade to my lips, and the lip shade which I'm going to be using is my classic. I'm going to be using the classic long lasting lip gloss in Hot Flame. Yeah, it's a matte lippie. I'm just going to apply it on my lip area. So guys, this is basically it for this tutorial. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a huge thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit that subscribe button below. And if you have any questions on how like this whole video went down, or how this whole tutorial went down, please let me know in the comment section. And yeah, if you'd like to see more videos like this on my channel, please let me know in the comment section also. Thanks so much for watching this video guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.